Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to cook okra. I have fish, wele, ginger, prawn, okra chopped, pepper, spinach, maggi and salt. I have bicarbonate here. Bicarbonate to make the okra soft. Okay, let's begin. Now I'm going to pour my okra inside a pot and some hot water. I'm adding more water to let the okra cook. And I'll add my bicarbonate, just a pinch to soften the okra. Then I'll cover the pot. And let it cook for 5-7 minutes. I'm going to start adding my spinach now. I love my spinach in okra, so I normally add a lot. Sometimes I use frozen one, but this one is fresh one, so just push it down, cover it up halfway and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then I'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add my prawn. My ginger, I love my ginger. My crayfish. Dry pepper. My mama, my skin, a cow skin or wele. Going to add my seasoning cube, and I'll add some of my fish. I think this one is enough. I'll keep the rest. I'm adding salt now. And I will let it cook for... No, I have to add my palm nut oil first and let it cook for 5 minutes and we'll be done. I'm adding some palm nut oil. Mix it up. And I'll add this habanero pepper just for the presentation. I'm not going to pop it. And I'll cover it halfway. Let it cook for 5 minutes and we'll be done. My okra soup is done. So I'm going to eat it with amala. I'm going to cook the amala soon. I like my okra soup light. This is no stew. This is soup. I like it light. So I can't wait to dig in. I'm going to cook the amala now. Yeah. I have my water boiling already. Now I'm going to add my amala. Okay, I have to reduce the fire first. And I'll pour the amala. And I'll mix it up. So mix it fast so that you don't have lumps inside. And it's very fast, but when you don't cook it well, it can make your tummy run. And I'll cover it up. Very simple and easy. Cover it up for 5 minutes. Yeah, my amala is ready. In here. And I will have this shape. Okay. Just have to repeat the process. I have my amala here. Now add my soup. I want some prawn. Okay, now we are ready. The dinner is served. This is my okra and amala. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like and share with your family, friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.